Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. Oil trapped in the Ichimoku cloud analysis. http ntvforex.com news ID 87cc3798 2020 10:43:20 am. US oil futures hit a 2-month low at $38.54, since recouping to levels in the mid $39.0s but remaining over 1% low from Friday's closing levels. Prices are down by over 10% from the highs seen last week. The stalling out in the recovery pace of the global economy, along with large crude stockpiles and uncertainty about Chinese demand, which has been importing crude in record quantities in recent months, but may now be ready to slow this process down, has weighed on oil. Additionally, Saudi Aramco announcement on Sunday that it would cut prices on crude shipments to Asia also added significant pressure to oil. Additionally, the NBSP end of the North American summer driving season has also been getting a mention in market narratives. This backdrop should maintain US oil lower, and therefore USD-CAD's steady to upward bias for now. Currently, USD-CAD floats to a 4-day peak at 1.31387, aided upwards by a generally firmer US currency and a drop in oil prices. US oil currently trades below 38.50, latest double fractals reflecting strong support area. The breakout today below the latter, along with the fact that the asset is below 200 DMA for a second day in a row, NBSP suggest an increasing negative bias in the near term and medium term, since momentum indicators are also negatively configured in both time zones without reaching OS levels yet. Near-term decline is also reflected in the Ichimoku lines 1 and 4H chart, as the bears drove the price below the Ichimoku cloud. In the daily chart, however, the sellers have not managed to drive the asset below the cloud yet. Therefore the $37 support could interrupt the pair ahead of the $35 handle. In the event selling interest persists, the key support level of $35 could halt the decline 26.3% fib level. Nevertheless, in regards to weekly events, the Bank of Canada is the focus this week, however is not expected to impact Canadian dollar and US oil. A steady 0.25% policy rate is widely anticipated from BOC. A reiteration of the forward guidance that debuted in July, when the Governing Council said it will hold the policy interest rate an effective lower bound until economic slack is absorbed, so that the 2% inflation target is sustainably achieved. At that time, the bank observed that the economy will require extraordinary monetary policy support as the recovery progresses. A similar sentiment should be on offer this week. Governor Macklem delivers a speech to Canadian Chamber of Commerce Thursday. A thin slate of economic data is on offer this week, with August housing starts Wednesday and Q2 capacity utilization Friday the highlights. Housing starts are seen easing to 210.0k in August from 245.6k in July, bringing it back near the 212.1k in June. Starts plunged to 164.9k in April and firmed to 195.8k in May. Similar to the US, housing has been underpinned by low mortgage rates. NBSP. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me mt5.expert.advisors.